usually have time to prepare balanced meals rather than takeout or eating on the run? Hi, I'm Susan Bowerman, Director of Nutrition Training at Herbalife. Let's talk about a word that is often thought of as a dirty word, snacking. The truth is that snacking doesn't have to be an unhealthy habit. It's not unusual to get hungry between meals, particularly if you have a long stretch in between. The key is making sure that you have some healthy foods available in your home or office and that you weed out anything unhealthy from your grocery list. Ideally, your snack should have a balance of protein and carbohydrate to keep you going. A protein-enriched beverage, a piece of string cheese and a piece of fruit, or a small carton of yogurt should do the trick. Just make sure to keep your portions reasonable. Even a healthy snack can have too many calories if your portion is too large. Here are some foods that can be used to make up a healthy snack. Whole grains, which are rich in fiber and complex carbs. Fruits and vegetables, which provide valuable vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds, which contain protein and monounsaturated fat. And finally, low-fat dairy products such as milk or yogurt, which are high in calcium, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Just make sure that these are low in fat and sugar. It's important to understand that waiting for your next meal is not always the right choice. If weight loss or simply managing your weight is your goal, snacks are important because they help control your hunger. Eating several mini meals during the day will help manage cravings so that you don't binge on less healthy foods. Also, make sure that you eat meals on time and don't skip them. Herbalife has some great products to help you in your quest for nutritious snacks. Snack Defense is a unique dietary supplement that contains gymnema and chromium, which help support blood sugar levels already in normal range. The Herbalife Protein Bar and Protein Bar Deluxe make the perfect snack. They contain essential vitamins, carbs, and protein in order to sustain you until your next meal. There are no artificial sweeteners, and each bar has 140 to 170 calories depending on the flavor. Keeping a bar with you at all times will ensure that you are snacking right. You can order these or any Herbalife products today from your independent Herbalife member.